ကိုလေးတော့ပွဲသေးနော်ခိနေပကကွာရတဲ့ဗီဒီယိုတစ်ခါအေးလာရလော်တာလဲ social media ဘူးလားပူကွီသက်သောဖက်နေတယ်ဝဲနော်ကဲဝဲတာအိန္ဒိယမှုတခါအင်းနော်အဝဲဟဲဟာဝဲတာလဲကောအမေရိကလဲ tourist visa နာကေတဲ့ဟဲလာဝချီဝါကောနီတပလီပါကေတူပါရတာချုံမနီအတာဖလဲဥပါချဝဲတာလဲကဟဲလဖေးလဲကခုဝဲတာတာကိုမင်းနော်အဟဲဝဲတာလဲဖေးနီနော်အလဲခုဝဲတာတဖို့တလီလဲ target ဒါဝဲနော်ဒေါ်ဗီဒီယိုတစ်ခိုင်ရလောတာနော်ဒေါ်ခက်ကပကကွာတာဗီဒီယိုဝဲနော်ဒေါ်အဝဲတစီဝဲတာနော်အလဲ Shopee ဝဲတာလဲ Target လဲ Chicago ဖဲနေမနော် Illinois Chicago ဖဲနေ Shopee ဝဲတာနွီးနာရီညာလဲ Target ဘူးနေနော်ဘလောနေနော်အဝဲနေဟင်းဝဲတာတဖို့တလီဒေါ်ဒူနော်တဖို့တလီချုံမကဘာမီတာချက်ခွေတာဒူနေမနော်ဘာမခွေတာဒူနေနကိချာလောကဒါကိနေရနော်ခုနေအဟဲဝဲပုံစာဝဲနေဟဲမာစီပွားရေးမနော်ဘာမခွလေဟဲဟာလဲအမေရိကနော်ခုနေတာဖို့တလီကိချာကဒါကိဟဲကဒါကိချာနေပုံစာနော်အိုနော်တော့အဝဲခုရတာဖို့တလီနေကလော်လိုရလဲချီဒေါ်လာနေတကထိုးသကရနော်တမသပေါ်မနော်ဘလော်ဒီနေရေချုံမနေတာလဲနဲ့လဲဆိုင်ဘူးနေကင်မရာဦးလို့မြန်နော်ဒေါ်နဲ့လဲဆိုင်ဘူးပလေရှော့ပေကမေတနာရီခိနာရီယာထားခဲ့ပဲနေနော်တမိလာတို့ပစီတဲ့တာဥပစီထဲနေနော်နူးနာရီညာဒီဘကွာကျွဝဲတန်ခော့ခါနီအဝဲကဟာထော့ဝဲတာနော်လဲတလော်ရတာပွေပါတယ်ဝါကော်နေပလိန်နော်ဒေါ်ပလိဟဲဝဲတာပလိဖော့ဝဲတာအေးအတဲရနေအမေခါတတိနော်ကျပါကွာစာဝါဗီဒီယိုဝဲနော်
Don't It's not going to go well for you.
Right.
Why?
Explain it to you. Okay.
You
take things without permission. That's a crime.
But what do I do now? For how long is it going to be? I don't want to get into any trouble.
Yeah, it's too late for that, girl. Pull up your passport.
No, but then what am I supposed to do?
That's none of my business. I don't know. You shouldn't have been stealing stuff.
I've not yet done anything.
Oh, you have. Pull up your passport.
For what? What do I do?
Okay. So you can pull up your passport now, or we're going to take you back to the station and you can pull up your passport there. Who's Jamisha?
Me. And this is
who's Anaya?
This is my name also. But this is my Jamisha Avlani. You can see my picture.
Okay.
This is me.
Okay.
Jamisha Anaya
Please don't embarrass me.
I think your own choices wouldn't embarrass you. It has nothing to do with me.
So what do I have to do if I have to? What do you want me to do? You are.
If you're good.
I'm not taking anything. I'm ready to even pay for it.
It does not work like that. I don't know why you keep saying the same thing over and over again.
So what do you?
It's too late for that, girl. Pull up your passport.
No, but then what am I supposed to do?
That's none of my business. I don't know. You shouldn't have been stealing stuff.
I've not yet done anything. So what do I do?
So you can pull up your passport now, or we're going to take you back to the station and you can pull up your passport there.
Please don't. I'm really.
It's too late. Can you please just pull up your passport?
You promised me that nothing is going to happen.
I did not promise you anything.
Of course, you said that nothing. Once we do the system, you will leave.
I said as soon as we're done with our recording, we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can.
Yeah, you said you
We're not going to fight with him. We're not going to fight with him. It's too late.
So what do you want me to do?
I need you to pull up your passport. I need to see valid identification for you.
And then?
And then you will be going back to the station with us. I need to see your identification.
Please don't take me to the station.
That's simply not going to happen. You don't get to have that choice anymore. You made lots of poor choices today, and now you have to pay for those poor choices.
But he said he's not going to put me in the station.
Well, he doesn't work for us. I don't know who this man is.
So I'm really sorry. I'm ready to pay for this.
I'm ready to pay for it.
You're ready to pay for it now, but you didn't want to pay for it then. So I need you to give me your identification.
I'm really sorry. You promised me that you can leave us.
It's simply none of my business. That has nothing to do with our job.
And it's
So
not
what do you want me to do?
Passport, please.
Okay,
I'm not
passport.
from this country. I'm not going to be
no
staying
kwasa
here.
hela wachi wa ko de ne pa
Are you
do
allowed to
ta
steal
nya
things
no
in India?
ne le sa wala ko la tu ko ni ne te che pa le chai di e ta ka ya na lo ko la tu ko pa le ma to me le yi te si ra ni di to cha ni ba mo ye ru si ani ne te che da ke chai din te che bu ba an ti ko da ni po mu ro ga di me kha ta ti no che ba no de da ta ka ba ma di le ta ra ma ka ma no mi ba ne ne adula ta ke ta po ta le pu ye ta ke he no ba ke le ko le we ni station lo mo si ta ni ba ke le de kha lo mo do ke de we ni America embassy de we ni no tu tho we da table mo no tu tho we da table la နမီဟဲလာကောအမေရိကဘူနမီမာကမတာတိုတာတော့တာဘလနီအော်ဒီနီနော်တကဟိနာတစီညောတကဒီပါနေနဗီစာရဲနေတာကဘာနာတချိုတာလောနေဟဲနေလာအမေရိကကောဘူးတနေလာပါနော်ဒီချုံမတာပေါ်မဝဲနေတမီချိုတဲ့ဘလောပါနော်ဘာတတိလာပုကူဟဲခုဘူရတာမကွနမီတမဘူအဒီနမတဘလောချာနေဒီနတပူရထဲနေပါမောနော်ဘာတတိကီဝဲတကျတမွေတီယာနော်ခုနေတော့ဘွယ်ဘဟဲလာအမေရိကโอ้กลึกๆล่ะเนาะปะตะนนนี่ตอดวีซ่าแล้วแกโอเพลลอโพโอติเพอีอ่ะเนาะตะนนนี่แฮวนี่แกดุแกป้อลอแฮติละเพนี่ตอดเยไซละแลทิกอดเวนี่บากว่าชเมดาดีเดโอติเวดาจานี่ติอุดอดุมเนาะခုသနေဝေနီမီဝဲတာဗီဒီယိုရခလာရလာတာလဲဆိုရှယ်မီဒီယာနော်တော့ပလာကလာတကောတိဖာဒီနီဝဲတိတဲရမနော်လော်မစ်ခါမနော်ပတကယီနီမမေရှာဝဲတာပွားကမနော်တမီလာပွားကလာသူကောဖို့ကောတဲ့ခုတာပါမြေနော်နိုင်ကေခေါပလိုလပတကဝဲဤကေဝဲတာအိန္ဒိယ passport holder နော်ပလာအကျော်အိန္ဒိယ passport မြေနော်အမာဒီတဲ့ပတ်တူဝဲတာချစ်ကောသူသိမယ်နော်ခုတနေပတိညာလဟခုဒဘီနော်မီကီတီလာကကြဒူတော်ဒီနကိဝရလောကလည်းအတမေရှခဝဲနော်ကျဲနော်အမေဖတ်လေးညာတဲချွေဝဲဒူလာတမကမနော်ကျပါမကမရနကီဒီကဲဝဲနေမြေတော့ဟောညာဤနော်ဒါလည်းဟိခေါ်ဟင်းနော်ဝဲဒါသိနေလော share ဝဲဒါဗီဒီယိုဝဲနော်နမေကိုရတဲ့ channel ဆိုတော့ subscribe စကောဒါလည်း YouTube channel follow ရ Facebook page နေကီ